Okay, it's clear. Okay, so here's the deal. I'm gonna get rid of this wall because I feel it's dated, it's not classy enough, and the real reason is actually I made this macrame for future people. We're in quarantine at the moment, and I just wanted to get a bit artsy, so I made this. And I think it's cute as f***, so... Also, it doesn't go with the stripy background. And I tried it downstairs in my parents' living room, and it looks super nice with like a bold one colour background. Hence the macrame over the bed kind of vibe. I went out on a whim and was just like, I'm just gonna do it, and bought some wallpaper. I bought 2 testers, one pretty pink and one blush pink. And I thought, okay. Bought this wallpaper, Wall Doctor, stripy, like classy, cool. I've moved all my stuff away from the wall, and I'm gonna get ready to do some stripping now. Hey, no, I know what you're thinking, not that kind of stripping. The kind of stripping that gets messy, you know? Yeah, that's it. Goodbye. Bye, mate! It's sticking to my feet! Oh! Ew! Okay, so I just put some shoes on because the way 10-year-old wallpaper paint feels on the bottom of your bare feet is not great. Gross. Also, while I'm here, can I just recommend everyone buy a wallpaper scraper and not use the fingers. Because it gets a little gross, not gonna lie. Hey! I know I said it's better for your fingers to use a wallpaper scraper, but if you've got a metal egg flipper, use it. I'm gonna do the rest now, and I'll see you in a bit. Maybe, if I'm still alive. Okay, final thing is to get rid of all the little bits, like this little bit on there, otherwise your eggs taste weird. Or your wall gets lumpy when you put your new wallpaper on. Okay, here we go. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, welcome back. Day 2. So, we're gonna put wallpaper on today. I've just had a consultation with my father because he is the man when it comes to DIY. I mean, he's a plumber, but he knows a bit too about painting and decorating as well. So, what you need to do is you need to measure your wall from top to bottom. We've measured it, it's 87 inches. You need 1.5 inches top and bottom as a little like extra bit to chop off just in case you measure wrong. So 1.5 inches top and bottom, times 2 is 3, not 2, 3. And then 87 and 3 is 90 inches. So, this is so much maths, oh my god. Wow. 90 inches are the length of what I need the wallpaper to be. Really like stroke the wall, give it a good stroke, real. And feel all the tiny little bits on it because they will show through if you do not get rid of them. Okay, your wallpaper will look rubbish. Okay. See you on this side. Okay, because now we've sanded the wall, it's important to get rid of all the dirt on the skirting boards, otherwise it's going to touch the skirting boards and it's going to get underneath your wallpaper. Okay, so don't be lazy. Ugh, tomatoes from lunch. Okay, so I've done 4 rows already out of 1 row, which is actually quite good because my ceiling is super short. And I'm just going to do 2 more rows because I think 2 more like pieces, because I think 6 will be plenty because I've got a door frame in that wall and I think it's going to be okay. So once you've measured your piece, it's easy peasy. I've got my 4 pieces under here. So I know where my line is. I do a little rip here, so I know where it is. Get the rest of my roll, fold this over here, making sure that your paper is super lined up, so you get a nice straight line. There. Then fold it the whole thing, and then you cut it. Okay, so this is piece number 5. I'm cutting along the edge here. Then one more time. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lengths of wallpaper. Peace out. Okay. I say okay a lot. I'm just gonna paste the rest of this because it's 5 minutes and then you need to get it on. Trick is, put the rest of your wallpaper up the top there, and then your other side along the side of the papering table, and then just slap it on. Don't be shy. Any bits whatsoever, absolutely pick them out, because we had a problem with putting the first piece on. We need to now make a pizza delivery boy. And then just chuck this bad boy together, making sure again that it's aligned. Got 5 minutes, don't forget. Get this on. You serve your pizza like that. Pencil, rubber downer, big scissors. Okay, so we go up to the top first. We have our pizza delivery. We go to the middle. We need 1.5 inches at the top, don't forget. Okay, I'm a beginner at this as well, guys, so don't judge, right? Okay, make sure you get, so I tried this one off camera, I got a little bit of a gap. So I'm making sure I'm really getting up close to that second piece I put up there this time. Up close and personal, you know? Don't overlap, because that'll look rubbish. If you've got a back pocket, this should be in it, but I've not, so it's not. I don't tell me to brush away, but I think you should brush too. Yeah. Sometimes rules are made to be broken, you know what I'm saying? Don't forget that the glue goes off, so you got about 5-10 minutes to get it on. I'll glue up my nose actually. Gross. Unravel, unravel. Put it down. Like a dog. What? Who said that? Okay, get your pencil. Voila! I don't need that for a minute. Put that down. In your back pocket. Okay, you put your finger over it first. Finger, trace the joint. You might get some stuff. I've got any traces. And then draw over that finger joint with your pencil. It lines up to one previous, then you're on to a winner. You gotta cut it with the scissors the right way. Don't be stupid, like me. Oh, I just took my tongue down and licked it. You kind of cut the line off, you know, just over the line. Okay, now shove this back up, see what it's saying? Put that in your back pocket, not between your legs, like I just did. Okay, well that's absolutely stunning. Call me professional. Or not. I'm just gonna do the same to the bottom. Finger it. Pencil it. Cut it this way. You see those scissors there? You cut it so you can see that, not this way. And you can see nothing, you know? Don't know whether you know, but I told you so. There's no complaining when you do it wrong, like I did. Pizzeria, last piece, here we go. Okay, so you need to press the four corners of the socket, make a little hole in the middle, cut across where your socket is. Watch this. Use your pencil around your ear. Press these four corners in where you can feel your socket. Not your eye socket, your light socket. Okay. Oh, careful. X marks the spot. Just make a little hole there. Okay. Grab it. Little dot there. Little dot there. Little dot there. Little dot there. Press it in and it looks like a chick hatching. About that much, yeah? So it can go behind the light switch. No one even looks there. Okay, well that took half an hour. Shout out to Mum and Dad for the support. Thanks. Sleep well tonight. Oh, you caught me off guard there. Oh my god, I'm so super proud of this wallpaper. It's so great. If you want to look at all the areas, then you can look at this plug socket. Maybe don't look at that light switch. Oop. But oh my god, it's so nice. Please like, share, subscribe, comment below if you like it too. Let me know what you're up to in your quarantine times. Bye!